Introduction. Hi, my name is Brian and welcome to this video on how to make money from home. With the current economic climate, many people are looking for ways to earn a living while working from the comfort of their own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or make a full-time living, there are many opportunities available to help you achieve your financial goals. Assessment of current situation. The first step to making money from home is to assess your current situation. Take a look at your current income, expenses, and assets to determine what your financial goals are. Consider your interests and skills to find opportunities that align with them. Identifying profitable niches. One of the best ways to make money from home is to identify profitable niches or opportunities that align with your interests and skills. There are many different niches you can explore, such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, stock trading, online tutoring, content creation, and more. To identify the best opportunities, you can conduct online research, read online forums and discussion boards, or reach out to others in your field for advice. Investing in yourself. To succeed in a profitable niche, it's important to invest in yourself by learning new skills and gaining knowledge about your chosen field. Many online resources offer free or low-cost courses and tutorials to help you acquire new skills. Additionally, it is always helpful to have a mentor who can guide you and give you advice along the way. Taking action. Once you have identified a profitable niche and invested in yourself, it's time to take action and start building your business. This step can be the most challenging, but it's also the most important. To get started, you can set up an e-commerce store, create a website, and start promoting your products or services. Building a website. Building a website is an essential step in making money from home. It can help you to establish your brand and attract customers. You don't need to be an expert in web development to create a website. There are various website builders available that can help you create a professional website with minimal effort. Driving traffic to your website. Once you have a website, you need to drive traffic to it. There are many ways to do this, such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. By using the right marketing strategies, you can reach a wide audience and attract more customers to your website. Converting visitors into customers. The last step is to convert your website visitors into customers. To do this, you need to have a clear call to action on your website and make it easy for visitors to make a purchase. Additionally, you should consider offering discounts, bonuses, or other incentives to encourage visitors to make a purchase. Conclusion. Making money from home is a realistic goal that requires hard work, dedication, and the right mindset. By assessing your current situation, identifying profitable niches, investing in yourself, taking action, building a website, driving traffic, and converting visitors into customers, you can achieve your financial goals and make a living while working from home. Remember, it's important to stay motivated and to never give up, as the path to success can be long and difficult. But if you're persistent and willing to put in the work, you'll be able to achieve your goals and live the life you desire. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.